Zimbo comment section.
Vakanitizogara zvinosema zemambo tiri vanhu vanoda zvino ende social media yemazimbuka aiwa inenge ichingobaka-baka
Makwapeni vengani angithi uvele okay ivele bathi makwapeni vele ngapi ikhwapha into enjani ikhwapha lenkani
because yiyo ngesutsho chalokati kupele nyaya dzakashisha.
And the person was like ndezve kumama forgive me vulgar but you know I say Zimbo so I know I'm Zimbo comment section. Zimbo comment section. Zimbo comment section. Hey guys, this is your girl Miss Anonymous with an I. Welcome back to my channel, and please, if you're new joining us today for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to switch on your notifications so that you don't miss out on anything. Everything that I get to put here and post, you have to keep up to date because the stories are so hot, they're so juicy, they're so controversial. And in as much as Jifambra Nyanzima was not Pisama Street, I also bring some things that really help people, you know, actually talk things is not tika mudzimba mkuti pano momunuka angatogona kutovhura zviri pachifuva chake zvekumuremera mumcomment section imomo kana motonawo advice ngamubetsera muupenyu. Because listen, nasi I bring a very controversial topic and iri kupisa yatofamba nhasi mumastress ngati aiwarega ndifambire nyaya idzi ndizibaye ndione kuti ndingati chii because Zimbo's comment section inenge ichapisa. Today I'm bringing nyaya yemudzimba. You know kuti Mjolo has been a pandemic for the very longest time, and it's not just for those that are just dating, but pinda mune ava vatori marriage ezindlini kunzima phandle lapha. So namhla ngeke ngilethe udaba nje ngani ngaduduza basezindlini abahlala ndobunzima obuthile nje ngithi ngani ngiyabathinta. Today I bring a story that happened recently, and it's been trending actually, and the story is, drum roll please, Harare court orders small house to pay $8,000 to the legitimate wife for damaging her marriage. Ndidzokorere gantara national natsokunzikwa hanzi court remuharare rati kuna small house badhara mari inenge $8,000 kumukadzi wepamutemo for kuuraya marriage yake. Utiwa kuona eHarare lapho inkantolo ithe khona ulo umakhwapheni ebhadale imali engange $8,000 kumfazi lo wasendlini walotsholwayo lo ngoba wamosha umtshado wakhe. So it's very complex, you understand, and I've been going through like what people have been saying on social media. Buba ndingowareseka pa social media lapha. So ngayeli udinga ukuthi lithini lapha emoyeni kuze social media lapha ngeke ngibe wasilicabangani. So that's why I went and started looking for what you guys actually think, and I was able to come up with a lot of different sides of the coin. You know, there was the one side, the second side, then there was also the truth, I presume. And the main ones that really that made the majority of remarks was that why is it the woman is the one supposed to pay the money while the relationship took two people to work? Why is chinzi mukadzi uyu tingamuti ani uyu ari kuputsa musha uyu asingazwe pamutemo uyu paside uyu ari kuzi ndiye afana kubhadhira mari kune mumwe asi kuti muchihure chavo umu vanhu vaviri vaidanana gava. So ndazvichinzi one ari ave iye anobhadhira mari, because one was saying the sad thing is that the man is going to be the one paying the money from the household coffers. So I think this one was trying to justify kuti but mungangochema inyu muchitizo nini why zvichinzi mukadzi ave iye anobhadhara but murume ndiye achangotora mari yake mumakofasi aubhadhara mukadzi uyu. But then ikafunga kuti pati mukudanana mevanhu vaviri umu, right? When two people are dating, especially the things that have to do with extramarital affairs, people have extramarital affairs for different reasons. Some because they are just bored, some because they're going through some dry spell in their marriage and then they find something exciting on the outside, and some simply because they are in love with different women at the same time. So I think the idea that pushed that man to go out of the marriage determines if he's going to pay that money or not. amuzoniwe. Tell me what you think. Please engage with me in the comment section. Please tell me what you think. Start typing right now to see those comments coming so that we can actually talk about this more, because I also want to hear what you guys think. Some may be talking from experience, some may be talking from things they've witnessed from close friends and relatives. So it actually brings more light to this subject, And then also the other person was like, mama, forgive me vulgar, but I say it like it is. I know I'm anonymous, but doesn't mean kuti I have to hide the truth. I say it like it is. As in mama, devedu tese, ndikabhadhara court, ndobhadhara wandipedzisira imba yangu yekuZimri Park. I think this is one that is saying from a point of view, yes, kuti I can still pay that money, but I know very well kuti I have a house in Zimri Park that has just been built. Meaning the husband has built the house for me somewhere else, so I'm covered. I'll just pay that money, but I know I've gained something in return. Yo, ngamasaya chiki munofaya mabombu nayi. Makhwapeni lenkani angithi kuvele okay vele velithi makhwapeni vele ngaphi ikhwapha into enjani ikhwapha lenkani yabona ikhwapha ukuze ninganili ngakunikele kakhulu uzaqala ngani yalisheva uthi roll on uthi powder abamata ama lemon abathi bicarbonate of soda ukuthi you'd be trying to maintain that armpit, ikhwapha yabulizama ukuthi lingakunike kodwa lenkani kuthiwa khona umfazi lwana ngena ku relationship yomuntu ochadile ngomakhwapheni because ikhwapha ngalo anti lenkani ngoba yo I see in the comment section, the side chicks are really standing their ground and saying a lot of things. One is saying, the sad thing is the man is going to be the one who pays the money. Don't go pure nemrume wachoka. Iwe. Very convenient. One's don't go pure nemrume. Actually, it's ndo pure nemrume wedu wacho. So it's actually ours. Muna kutomera kuti agarande wedu is your husband and is my boyfriend, but it's for both of us. Wow. And then the other team rangura kusaza rekuganza guys, you find you and everything ndatoboseka nchivere kama comments akuti but vanhu munombotype makagara pa memuchimboite when you come to those thoughts. What you guys be thinking about when you type such things? Come chimpai reply up comment section chimotipai zvamunowanda, because I need to have this type of change. I need to have this type of mentality. I need to think like this. Zimbabwe's what it pays as I need to talk to my wife in plan of future. Sakati kahasuka kadokanzira kungwava ma streets and the next get rich quick scheme pakurevesa, because do you know kuti vanhu vakaomerwa panze apa they try to look for any ways to make money. Ngabona impilo isinganisenzima kancane so umuntu yahlala phansi ucabanga ukuthi hakodwa ngenze ngizonithola imali madoda uzothi hayi vele inkantolo ngikuthola vele ulo makhwapheni vele wena vele makhwapheni mele ubhadale imali ulo mama omchithela wona umuzi so wonke umuntu uzaqala ukufebe themba ukuthi makhwapheni uzabhadala imali lizonyo ngithola makhwapheni ngela lutho ngomakhwapheni ohlakaniphile ehambise ecourt kuwe ngombhadalayo. So such things happen because I think with those court issues it has to depend with the type of lawyers that you have, the type of case that you present to the court. Because one thing I know about the law is the law doesn't use directly morals and logic. The law uses facts in how you state your case. How you state your case and your story before the court of law determines how you're going to come out. You understand? I've seen very prominent people who will be linked to so many crimes, but just because they've got a good panel of lawyers standing behind them, they've got some good evidence and presentation of their cases, they just walk away scot-free. So ma think as a team rangure kuhasla patona zika imbofunga emushe nema get rich quick scheme because I'm just what why ganite side chick ndakarora ndine ku court ne nanzani takurachinzi chapter 37 ngai kuneva pa chapter 1 something chapter 1 point ani here zvachinja ka, and I think we should also get familiar with the law yemchato kudatso kuziva zvinhu zvakadai. Natsokuziva kuti marriage yakamira sei panzapa. We should familiarize ourselves with these things. Tisangoziva kuti aivarega nichati nichengete imba isatengeswa nemurume muchazvinyepera. Hanzi wangu murume andakutomutsvagira small house. Nichatoudza mukadzi wangu pese pandinoona small house kuti mari yafona. Chati mari yafona ikanti ndiwo uchatobuda begi wasiwa no small house kuti you wasted my time sometimes no mukadzi. But this tables can like I was saying kuti don't just think kuti just because this woman was able to make a small house pay a sum of $8,000 it's going to be the same for everyone. It just depends. We don't know this woman, we don't know the case, don't know the net worth of the small house or how the husband was. And that's what meveseka vantu vakaendeswa kumakoti vahura vowanika maside chika vachibudisa ma $8,000. ma-levels akasiyana. Vanenge vatema dzinosvikirana, noti ungotema pausingasvikiri. Unoti tuchitema kudai woti ga pasi wobodera nebhonzo riya rari kumashure rinorwadza riya. Unoridza Mary. Anyway, moving on. Then there was some positive insight that I received that I saw. Good. I know there's some others chava kutomira this law could it's actually fair in a way. And I think Timiri is the team that my marriages, or maybe I can experience this type of inconvenience, either growing up from a friend, from a sister. It can be, because this type of things, they affect us one way or the other, directly or indirectly. And Zim is now moving in the right direction. Dizo yama nyama anditi. And koma single mothers akatoputitirwa kudhara. Dakumbo zvimbisa mudhara vangu. Uye mwana kurwadziwa kuti inini mai vangu akati single mother because baba vangu akahura, then side chika akatora baba vangu akaenda naye, mai vangu akasiwa ndikakuza na single mother. Saka nyaya irigamoendera kukoti kuti mukadzi uya akatora baba vangu ka ambokaura because ukanza abhatare mari ka inobuda kuna mudhara vangu. Saka mudhara vangu angati ase anenge azvimba. Wacabanga umntwana uzobuhlungu ukuthi kanti uyise wami wahamba nje lomakhwapheni wachima wami eyedwa, ngakhulisa umama eyedwa, edubeka umama, estrugglisha mama, engikhulisa umama why go through wisha. So I have to go there to my dad and then make him pay. How? Through the wife, or maybe the side chick they're still dating. You never know. Plus, there's some men who leave their wives that don't dissolve the marriage, but they just continue that outside extramarital affair too. I don't know. Choose was on it, these things happen. My relationship, guys. Nazera nesu wedwe. Hanzi mahuri akutengera pizza every day. Muri yake chayo murume ichiseva nemaruva emuplate. Vagona ndova mukomana visa zvimoto pakomenti yakapa ndizvo boys. Hanzi zvonini chibumirai plate yemaruva dzichiriko here. Ndakazvara kare nguva yana Smith uko. Saka ndiri kuti madays aya taiziva ndiro dzemaruva so dzesimbi dzekuti ukaiputsa so inomeduka ita kuzoita rust so but ka decoration ke plate chekaka nemaruva kudai so dzichiriko here naye mazuva ano plate dziya. Saka uzokorera kuti murume uyu mhuri yake chekudyira mumaplate aya anonzi maplate roads aya aSmith aya asi uri kutengera pizza every day. Varume munombozviita seiko naini? Mhuri dzinosafa dzitambudzika zvikuru but muri busy kutengera mahuri mapizza. Noite chiure chakangwara ka. Chiure chakangwara chinoita sei? Pana makadzi so vane dzimari, makadzi vempinga vana noise. Ukatasa pese panotorwa mukadzi achirora chihure kuti watora murume wangu. Tarisa vanhu macho kuti caliber yacho ka. Ndiye kuti munhu vere agara asi kuti balance life make. Kashoma kuna munhu achibuda mubenzi achinorora murume panza achinorova hure. Because these men, when they decide to do extramarital affairs, they first of all settle zvemumba. They sit down, they put their house in order. Could even if kana pakuzi like expenditure yakaripo ka, the wife won't even notice because everything inside the house is in order. Saka na vana vajira muplate vachisiva maruva emuplate, iwa maplate emaruva arodzi akare sasa. Iwa mumochengera hure pisa. Doesn't make sense. That's why you end up being taken to court because hazvisi kubalansa, you understand? Umakati zvagara zviriko asi ana mai vedu vasangozviita. And this law has been there for a long time. It goes back to what I said when I began this discussion. We should familiarize ourselves with those marriage laws. Understand Zimbabwe's got different type of marriage laws and marriage acts. You understand? So you have to know them. Before you even get married, young people, learn and know these things. Msango chatted because hanzi ndakura ndafana kurora or ndakunzi ndakachata ndava ngodo nemchato. But do you know what you're getting yourself into? Do you understand kuti the rights that you have as a wife? Kuti uyu akangwara kantosuwa girlfriend akuti wana beg remari akutotenga kamota kanotozwisisika kuti vura ka business manyama because she understands, right? And then going back to what I said earlier on, kuti, do you think it's fair to punish the man and leave the wife? The side chick, I mean. Because it takes two to tango. You need two hands to clap. If I'm trying to clap with one hand, we can hear the silence. But if I use two hands, the sound comes out. Meaning for there to be that affair, there were two people involved. So why can't you make the two people separately pay the money than to say the woman has to pay the money? But I don't know. Maybe it's because when the person who was affected by that affair went to report to the court, she gave the whole crime to one party. So the court deals with what was presented to them and how the woman laid her charges. So I think the team Rikuti, why is it one person got to be punished? Understand that. Because the court deals with how the charges were laid. So the woman went to court and said, because we have destroyed marriage, she needs to compensate me. How much? $8,000. And she won the case, and the woman has to pay that money. Otherwise, she'll go to jail. So at the moment, she's not suing her husband too. I never know. Maybe they've got kids. You know, women will get too attached and emotional and come to the fathers of our children and everything. It's really complicated, guys, because my marriage is very complex and complicated. But otherwise, guys, don't forget to comment. Ndawunza nyaya inophisa, nyaya kadai nyaya tinozivathese. So lazi lo daba ngicela ndixoxisane lami lingaliyagxila. Kuthiwa kuhlaziya udaba libe khona. Ngifuna uba kwazi licabanga. I want to know how you really think and what you think of the situation. Is this law fair? How can you think this law can be changed to suit the situations in the country for marriage is better? Those are the things you need to know. Because you never know. There might be policymakers that listen to this conversation. They can take what we're saying and then they can try to, pass a bill. You never know. But otherwise, remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to switch on notifications because we're going to have more and more of this conversation. This is your girl, Miss Anonymous, with an I checking out. Bye-bye.